How to turn on or turn off select network operator automatically on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Mobile Networks. After click on Mobile Networks, so you will see click on last option network operators and you will see select automatically is here. If you want to turn off, select automatically, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see select automatically is turn off. If you want to turn on, select automatically, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see select automatically is turn on. You will turn on or turn off, select automatically from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, select automatically network operators on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.